Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we are going to design professional social media posts for a cafe brand entirely using Adobe Express. So let's get started.
This video is sponsored by Adobe Express. For this project, we're designing social media posts for Crown and Coco. These are the 4 food photos we'll be working with, and by the end of this tutorial, they'll be transformed into polished, branded social media posts. Let's open Adobe Express and start designing. I'll begin with a 1:1 square canvas. Import my first food photo, crop it to fit perfectly, and then repeat the same process for the remaining images to keep everything consistent. Next, let's enhance the photos. Under Effects, Adobe Express offers 30 plus Photoshop powered filters. I'll use natural warmth, adjust the intensity to 50%, and you can either use the slider or type in an exact value for precise control. If you want a little more control over the final look, you can always head to the Adjustments panel. I usually tweak things like brightness, contrast, warmth, and sharpness to make the food look even more vibrant. To add a subtle premium touch, I'm adding a film grain design asset over the hot chocolate image. Then, I'll change the blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity to 30% for a natural textured finish. Now that the photos are ready, it's time to add the branding. First, let's add the Crown and Coco logo to each design so every post has a consistent brand identity. Next, it's time to add the name of each dish. Adobe Express offers thousands of professionally curated fonts, from elegant serif styles to modern scripts. Choose a font that matches your brand. Then add a subtle shadow to improve readability and help the text stand out. To finish the designs, let's add a little personality. Head over to Stickers and search for white arrows to draw attention to the product. With 10,000 plus stickers powered by Adobe Stock, it's easy to find elements that match your style and make your social media posts more engaging and story ready. You can also animate your designs with just one click using the Animate All feature. For this design, I'm choosing the bloom animation to add a smooth, subtle motion that's perfect for social media. And that's it! In just a few simple steps, we've transformed raw food photos into polished, branded designs.